Hello, Fit to Fab gang. Yes, the votes were in and Fit to Fab gang won. Welcome back to the Fit to Fab channel. Today we'll be making some keto breakfast idea, which is chia pudding, and I'll be making it in three different flavors. These are the items that you will need to make the pudding. You'll need some double cream plain yogurt, some coconut milk, you'll need some cocoa butter, you'll need some cocoa powder, which is unsweetened. You will need some peanut butter, which is no added sugar and salt. You will need some green matcha tea, whoop whoop, superfood. You will need some alternative sugar. And then you'll need some vanilla essence over here. I don't know if you can see it properly. And then some chia seeds. And you'll need a piece of lemon. So let's get right into it. Okay, so this one over here is the vanilla flavored chia pudding. What you will need is, of course, our coconut milk first. So we'll add some coconut milk. Depending on how big your cup is, you just add half of it into the glass. As you can see, I don't know if you guys can see it, you add half of it there. So you're going to add a tablespoon of some chia seeds, as messy as they are, a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Whoa. It's one. Going to add two. Focus, please. Okay, anyways, 2 tablespoons of double cream yogurt, plain yogurt. Liz, 2 tablespoons. And we're going to add a 2 teaspoons of alternative sugar. All is a baddie, never a sweetie or an angel. I don't know. And then we are going to mix it all together. This is the most easiest one. I would have loved to do the strawberry flavored one using footies. Actually, let me show you. I would have loved to use this brand, Footies, but the strawberry flavored one, but I don't have any, so it would have never made sense to do lemon and lime if I'm doing the green matcha with lemon flavored chia pudding. But yeah, so another alternative is to add your strawberry flavored Footies. I don't know about you guys, but I'm a fan of cinnamon, so I'm gonna add a bit of cinnamon to mine. And just mix it all together. Just a bit of cinnamon. Hopefully the flavor pulls through. So for our next one, we'll be making the peanut butter flavored chia pudding. And as per usual, coconut milk, whatever's left of it, I'm gonna add it to the mixture. Hello, Chia. So in my last video, I was out here saying chai. I had recorded this before, but you know what? God had other plans. And it just didn't look nice, so I had to do this again. So you're gonna add a tablespoon of chia seed. You're gonna add a teaspoon, 2 teaspoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. Guys, this is finished, so I'm just gonna add the whole thing actually at this point. But it's 2. That looks like 2 teaspoons, right? I'm sure, yes. And then we're gonna add a teaspoon of the sugar. If you have too much of this, you are most likely to have the shits if it's your first time. Just putting it out there. Just putting it out there. A tablespoon of our peanut butter. Black cat bar gonna be a star. Out of the jar and into the bar. Add. Oh, I hope this mixes well because talking about tricky. So I'm not gonna add the yogurt just yet. Try and mix this up all together first before adding it. I don't want to make a mess of things. Don't want to make a mess. Let's see if that makes mixing up nicely. So we're mixing it up all together. Make sure everything has blended in. I'll use my passion fruit. Wow. How? What is? But yeah, check out my blog when I release this video. On the blog, I'll have the benefits of chai. There we go again with the chai. Of chia seeds, chia. Add some coconut. Let me just. You're gonna add some coconut milk first. Okay, can you see it? There you go. We're gonna add some coconut milk first. Your lovely lady lumps. And depending on like the size of the cup that you're gonna be using, so I added like half. You're gonna add some chia seeds. There you go. We're gonna add a tablespoon. Oh, so messy. Got a tablespoon of that. Then going to add a tablespoon of the double cream yogurt. Actually, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons. 2. There we go. Some volume up and there. Put it to the side. Can you see it? Can you see it? Okay. Then we're gonna add some lemon, just a squeeze. Here comes the squeeze. What do you say? A zest of lemon. Then we're gonna add our green matcha tea. So on the blog, I'll be adding the benefits of green matcha tea and the benefits of chia seeds. So you add not a tablespoon, but a teaspoon, guys, as you can see, teaspoon. And then we are going to add 2 teaspoons of the sugar or sweetener. Alternative sugar. 2 teaspoons. That's actually quite a lot. There we go. And then we're gonna mix it all together. Put your back into it. It doesn't look cute, shame. I'm not gonna lie. It doesn't. But we're gonna leave this in the fridge. You can leave it in the fridge for, I don't know, 5 hours, 6 hours. We're gonna leave this in the fridge overnight so that you can have it for breakfast the next day. So it's best to do it the night before. So there you have it, guys. Over here we have our vanilla and cinnamon chia pudding. And over here we have our green matcha tea and lemon chia pudding. And over here we have our unsweetened cocoa with peanut butter chia pudding. So you leave it overnight in the fridge, and this is how thick it actually looks. See? Perfect.